It doesn't matter if your plants are indoor or outdoor. Powdery mildew can devastate any garden quickly and dramatically reduce a plant's yield. Introducing Optic Foliar Attack, a foliar solution that is non-toxic, has no side effects such as burning or the need to wash off, and is totally safe to use into late bloom. All with the lights on with no damage to the leaves or flowers. Attack's ready-to-use spray wipes out any powdery mildew and increases plant health rapidly. The dual action of Attack immediately combats and eradicates powdery mildew on the leaves while also signaling the plant to increase its SAR response, systemic acquired resistance response to boost immunity and internal defense system, ensuring plants maintain optimum health. Attacks can be mixed with Optic Foliar Transport to make a foliar solution for PM, or can be used with the nutrient solution or water to combat and prevent Pythium root rot with the root zone, and as a supplement to help further increase the plant's SAR response from the root zone. So, stop using unreliable and toxic products and utilize Attack to prevent and combat powdery mildew and increase your plant health from cuttings to late stages of flower with no toxic residuals. Attack is available in concentrate and ready-to-use RTU spray, perfect for both the personal and commercial grower. You can spray on seedlings as well as plants. Optic Foliar Attack, the complete foliar nutrition solution. Optic Foliar. Spray it, see it, believe it.